guys, long time no see. I'm here with Kaylee. Yeah.
Hello.
Well, she wants her hair like mine, crimpy, with my Revlon crimper.
Stretch.
It's hot. Okay. Well, first I'm gonna do this side right here, and then if she gets the hang of it,
No.
she's gonna do it.
Yeah.
You sure? If it's hard, I might burn you. I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Help me.
I'm kidding. Okay.
What you were doing the side?
I am. I got it, girl.
Okay.
I got it. Okay. Just this part, right?
Sure.
Okay.
What's so funny?
Stop slapping it.
Hey.
You look like a Chinese chick.
Chinese.
Ching chang chong. Okay.
I like
Scoot back. Okay. I need a pin. I got this.
I want to brush my own hair.
No, I'm not. I. Kaylee, stop. Okay.
Girlfriend.
Does it really matter?
Yeah.
Nah.
No.
Okay.
Wow.
You gotta scoot over. I'm sorry. I'm being wedged into this.
Ah!
Don't. Shush.
My ear's itchy. What if it doesn't work out? What if it looks horrible?
I don't know.
Then I'm going to straighten it.
Ah, it's hot! That actually looks good.
No.
You look like Spencer at that, like, looking like that.
Is it pretty or ugly?
No, pretty. I'm Pretty Little Liars, girl.
I know that.
I don't like her, though. She's so snobby.
Well, thanks a lot, Samantha.
You know I love you. The thing about I love Revlon is, like, even if your hair is, like, all staticky and stuff, and every time you crimp it, it makes your hair look all,
Pretty.
like, it just, like, got done out of the salon. You should so ask your mom to get you Revlon. I don't know if they sell this. I found this in my closet, like I did with my lip gloss.
Caca.
And that's why her hair looks like crimped.
Ah!
That looks pretty good. I did a good job. Yay! So good.
It looks all frizzy.
Uh-oh. It actually looks good. Don't you like it?
Yeah, and tomorrow I'm trying to take a piece and put it back.
Maybe you can come over the night before. When's your dance?
Friday.
Friday? Maybe you can come over Thursday night and I can do your hair for you.
Wait, what's today?
Today's
Tomorrow I have
Wednesday.
to take a shower.
We'll take a shower in the morning then.
I can't. Then my hair will get all curly.
Then you can take a shower. We'll figure it out! I'm gonna avoid my
I feel stupid. But this to the side, this crimp, that's not.
Chicken bang bang!
Itchy. Damn. Give me the piece.
Okay, make sure it's crimpy.
Everybody dance!
Dun, dun. Okay. Dun, 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 Okay. Girl, okay, stop. Girl, do you want to get burned? Do you want to get burned?
Nah. Nay.
Of course there's nay.
You missed a big part of my hair, woman.
Oh, I'll get that.
Later.
Later. Later, alligator.
In a wild crocodile.
Let's go back. Tell me if I burn your ear back.
You're gonna get killed.
No.
How do you know? Ah!
Did I burn it? Don't. Ah!
It's itchy though. Oh, you almost hurt me. I cannot whistle.
Are you really having a nice conversation?
Yeah, it looks horrible.
Well,
in the mix.
Kaylee, don't do that yet. There. That actually looks good. We'll be the crimped out girls. Whoa, alright. Good blush and mascara.
Okay.
I said a crimp hot link. Stop! No! Kaylee, do you want to get burned in the ear? And do you want your ear to turn on fire? And then you want your ear to turn
Ear.
I can't help it with my southern accent. God dang.
Remember when you were like,
Oh my God!
when I kept talking and you kept on laughing because I couldn't say things right?
She's like, I can't help it.
I can't help it.
I can't help it.
I can't help it.
I'm sorry.
What are you looking at?
Talking to me? Talking to yourself.
Don't look at me.
Well, you should look at. No, you should look at me.
I mean, I don't look right with crimped hair.
You actually.
We gotta crimp the whole thing.
Nah, ditch, Sherlock.
Yeah. This is go.
Okay, grab.
This itches.
Hold that. Stop. Don't, Kaylee, for real. Do you want me to get the back for you too? Okay.
Can I take this down?
No, not yet. I still have this, and I don't want it to get mixed up. You know how I am with stuff. Okay, now here comes your layers. I hate layers sometimes. Okay, now you're gonna have to like bend down because I'm hold up.
That was fun. Rolly chair.
Okay.
On my face. That's better. Now you have to bend down.
Nuh-uh.
It vibrated. Oh, cheers. Boom, boom, boom.
Hold this, okay?
Holding.
When I say here, shall you say sorry? I don't know where that comes
Go
from.
meat. Let's go meat.
Kaylee, don't do that. I said hold your hair.
Oh, okay. Holding here.
God bless this child.
Thank you.
That's not a good thing, honey. Well, it is good to be
When you
blessed.
bless me, I feel special.
Well, sometimes it's actually a good thing to be blessed by God, but still, you know what I mean.
So it's a good thing to be blessed by Samantha, right?
Yeah. I like blessing people. Kaylee has been my best friend since
4th grade.
fourth grade. We're in 6th grade now. Wait till we're in high school. We're gonna watch these.
Yeah.
We're gonna
do Kaylee's hair. Oh.
watch us in high school, no, in college, watching these stupid videos of us. We'll be so freaking embarrassed of them.
We're not showing our friends.
I will.
You're going to Front Creek, right?
Yeah.
Good. You good.
You are?
Yeah.
I said I held you
On a beautiful night.
You actually look really pretty with curly hair.
Oh, she got no.
When do you go to
Sexy
hey,
from my head.
hey, where are you taking your shower?
Tonight?
No. Whatchamacallit? Yeah, it's
Mom's.
Your mom's? Okay. Well, what you could do is, like, you could take a shower and then dry your hair. Or my mom can dry it for you or something. Or I can dry it. And then I can do your hair. If you want me to. If you want to have crimped hair tomorrow.
It depends what I look like.
If
I mean,
you
it's getting closer and closer. I'm like, ah. Can I take this down now? This is so, like, annoying.
Almost. One more time.
Because there's, like, a piece of hair here. It's like, itchy!
Well, do you like it so far? Okay, do you like it so far? Do you just want me to do your whole head?
Yeah. Lean back.
Because you like sitting down.
Like, are you almost done?
Shut up.
Is this what you do in the morning?
No.
What?
We should call him, buddy. Who should we call?
Let's
You want me to see if I could call? You want me to call my friend Jafar? He's funny to talk to. Or call him anyways.
Okay, whatever.
What? Did you just almost? Hello?
Hello.
Yeah.
What's up? That sounds fun.
What?
What
I
did
said
you
that
do to my
sounds-
hair?
Shut up!
What did you do to my
That
hair?
sounds fun. What did I do?
Sound fun.
What did you
I
do
don't
to my
know.
hair?
We'll put water in it, don't worry. Oh, I'm
Mix
sorry.
it.
I'm
just gonna
I'm
shake
crimping my
my
friend's hair.
Oh.
It's bumpy.
I'll go fix it. God damn.
Bud,
What is
me,
Christian?
jump.
What?
Can I take this down now?
I'm crimping my friend's hair.
Oh.
Oh.
I'm talking about this side. What? Freak! You ran over my toe! Ow!
I ran
You
over my
stupid bastard! Hold the phone. Hello?
I can't do her.
Girl, shut up about your stupid hair.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello? Stop yelling at my friend! Gosh, he didn't do nothing to you, Kaylee. What do you do? Do you want to set my house on fire?
I want to set your house on fire.
Nah. Wait, Kaylee! I swear, I'm gonna smack you. I'm gonna smack you.
Oh my goodness.
Sorry about that. She's
Is there an house on fire?
yeah, she might if she keeps on dropping the the crimper.
Oh wow. That's something.
You just
Oh, okay.
sexy from her head. Where'd it go?
I don't know. You still got curliness in your hair.
I don't care. It's because it's cold and it's dark. So.
What are you doing?
I'm on Facebook and I can't do something on this laptop. It's frozen, so I don't know what's wrong.